Hello, Mr. Large and my fellow class. I have computer science, dual credit. This is my machine project 3 and 4. And for this, I basically to describe it. I made a sword fight, and you get to choose your name and your opponent's name. You have a chance to block, heal, hurt, or critical attack. And the critical attacks do 2 damage. The regular hits do like 1. The blocks do 0 damage, and the heals heal you for 1 damage. And it's all random what value you get, and you basically start off with 20 health, and it just loops around and saying what your health is, and basically checks to see if you're knockout. It goes into, here's for instance one of my classes. Here's my main player slash my red class. I have a I have the class here, and then I have the constructors my bad. The constructors to describe red, and it says basically this is giving it the original health 20, and this is basically the method of which it takes into the random number and basically assigns X to a case, and if whatever X is equal to, like for instance, if it is the first case, it will say you have been hit. If it's second case, you've been critically hit. If it's third case, you've been healed and you add health by using health plus plus. And then if it's neither of those, or case 4 technically, you block the incoming attack. And then I have another method over here to check the player health to see if it's over 0 and they're not knocked out. And if it is, then it will say that they have been knocked out. And I have another method here that checks the health, and it returns it to the superclass. And as you can see, I can do here, and if sees it, and then it basically sees if the player's KO'd for the check health status. And then this check health returns the health, like how much health they have, into this print statement, so that you can know how much health you have. And if we go to run this file here, we can choose our name. Let's go with, since it's sword fight themed, I'm calling myself Sparta, and let's go with Ninja. I don't know. And now it's going to tell me time to continue, and then it's going to give me my original stats. And then it's going to start the loop. And then, as you can see, we both got critically hit, so 18-18. The Sparta got hit, or me, and so my health is now at 17, and my opponent's health would be at 18, because he blocked the attack, meaning it's still 18, like the last one. And see the healing, so you see right now how Ninja's health used to be at 16 before this time, and now his health is at 17. So, and then once it finishes, hopefully, it will say that I've been KO'd, and it will finish the entire thing, and it will display that I have been KO'd. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day.